Hello, First LEGO League Discover, Explore, and Challenge teams from around the world. I'm Kim Wehrman, Senior Director of First LEGO League at First.
And my name is Camilla Botke, and I'm the Global Head of Competitions at LEGO Education. I'm here with Kim today at the LEGO campus in Billund, Denmark, and we're here to officially launch the new Oceans-themed season, Submerged.
During the first dive presented by Qualcomm season, teams from around the world will use creative thinking and LEGO technology to discover the layers of the ocean. The ocean is a big place and there's lots to explore.
Are you wondering where to begin? We provide teams in each division with team meeting guides for the coaches and engineering notebooks for the students.
The guidebooks are there to help you plan your team meetings and know how to complete the challenge.
And in addition, we also provide the First LEGO League challenge teams with a robot game rulebook. And there are digital copies of all the guidebooks on our website.
In addition to the guidebooks, there are also many other useful resources on the website. There you'll find building instruction, multimedia resources, and information on how to prepare for a tournament or festival.
We can't wait to see what your team accomplishes this season. We strongly encourage you to share your journey on social media using the hashtag Submerged.
As we say in First LEGO League, teamwork makes the dream work. Good luck, teams, and have fun.
Teamwork makes the dream work. When we do it together. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Hello, First LEGO League teams, and welcome to Submerged, part of the first dive season presented by Qualcomm. I'm Vanitha Kumar, Senior Vice President of Engineering at Qualcomm Technologies. The ocean awaits your exploration. You will be using science, engineering, and collaboration skills to dive beneath the surface this season. Here at Qualcomm, we use the exact same skills to explore the possibilities of new, unparalleled technologies, transforming how we use intelligent connectivity everywhere. How will your underwater discoveries strengthen our future above and below the surface? Good luck, explorers. Let's dive in.